In the heart of the North Pole, where magic fills the air and dreams come to life, there exists a place where dedication and hard work reign supreme. Here at Snap-on Tools, we have our own elves working in wondrous workshops throughout North America. This is Snappy's Workshop.
Happy holidays, everyone! The holidays are upon us, which means productivity is at an all-time high at the North Pole Workshop. Things are a little busy there this time of year, of course. A lot of elves running around, trying to get everything ready for the big day. Coming in the first phase on week 46 are 10 of these Dixon Sherpa hoodies, which are always a warm and welcome gift when temperatures drop. This full zip Sherpa line snap-on hoodie is the perfect premium to pair with any of these 3-piece plier sets. Made right here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Safe to say, this is the promotion that'll make you feel warm all over. Also, coming in the first phase are 4 of these custom immersion blenders. This rechargeable 7.4 volt blender includes accessories such as different size bowls and lids, as well as 3 different chopping blades. Perfect sets for general repair around the house, or for that beginner tech you're looking to add to the books. Buy a tool and get a chance to win this 7-piece stainless steel cookware set. This set includes a 7-quart, a 3-quart, a 1.6-quart kettle, and an 11-inch frying pan. The kettles themselves are outfitted with these unique glass lids featuring laser logos on the handles, and look at these beautiful ratchet handles. Sure to be a hit with any Snap-on lover. The second phase highlights many ways to spread joy this season. Coming on week 47 are 6 of these kids' play mats, featuring full-color Snap-on graphics. Children represent the next generation, and they will shape the world in years to come. And for their parents, 7-piece hard-handled combination screwdriver sets coming in an array of colors. When paired up with the playmats, well, let's just say, who can say no? Also in this phase, one of my childhood favorite toys, these electronic sketching pads. Van-shaped writing boards with multicolor screens will provide hours of doodling fun. And speaking of color, a pry bar BOGO for all those good little technicians in your routes. Green, power blue, orange, and my favorite, of course, red. Buy the 4-piece pry bar set and the 42-inch pry bar, and get the 36-inch pry bar in their choice of color. And finally, for the second phase, we've incorporated additional items such as these L-shaped wrenches. And of course, we are providing an additional 100 raffle tickets for this phase. Use these phase 2 specific raffle tickets to raffle off this adorable Snap-on van-shaped rocker. Let's not forget those ever important shop owners this holiday season, gift vouchers. That's right. Gift vouchers are a wonderful way for your shop owners to show their appreciation to the techs that work so hard for them all year round. Snappy holidays, everyone!